We are in deep trouble. What are you doing? What's wrong?
I gotta pee, Jack.
You gotta pee?
Yeah, I gotta pee.
Nice.
It's like a switch, you know? It's like a switch.
I just try to take my hat and I turn it around.
Let's go!
It's like a switch.
Your hat's like a switch?
Yeah, it's like a switch. You see, look, I'm not trying. I'm trying.
And when the switch goes on, I don't know, I feel like a truck.
Oh!
Dude, that's crazy. You start hitting that, it's over, bro.
What's up, guys? We're back at the pond. We're gonna be doing some skimboarding, and a lot of people said that the last video was fake for I was already wet. Mom said we couldn't skimboard, so we just not gonna get wet. That's the goal. We just not gonna get wet. Keep it on the DL. Whenever I was skimboarding and I said I wasn't getting wet, and they said I was already wet, but I wasn't. So we're gonna remake that video and show that I wasn't wet. Right now you can tell I'm not wet. Hair's dry, clothes are dry, everything's dry. So yeah, we got the skimboard set up, car set up, and yeah, let's get going. All right, we also got the launch of the Barilla Snaps hat. Go to barillasnaps.com if you want to cop it. We got white and black right here. We got the black hat right here. So yeah, go shop that at barillasnaps.com. We also got like shirts, hoodies, t-shirts, you name it, bro. We got it.
This is the go-kart. We got Noah back there prepping. He goes 30 miles an hour. It's pretty fast. Let's get it.
Let's get it. I'm completely dry right now, so let's get it.
Yeah.
This all depends on you. Testing. This all depends on you.
Yeah.
You better get that.
I'm still dry.
I'm ready.
Good.
Uncut. There it is. There it is. There it is, baby. Oh my God. All right, we are in trouble. We are in deep trouble. What are you doing? You just ran the cart up on a stump, bruh. Come on, lift up, lift up.
Oh, it's the front bumper broke off.
Yeah, still dry.
Oh, God.
All right, we're going round 2, right? Here, jump on my back, I'll carry you.
Okay.
All right, here we go, hold on.
I need my boy.
Here we go, jump on my back. Oh,
Let's go.
we're in stickers, bro, we gotta watch it.
Yeah. Stickers and bear.
Where's your board? Where's your board?
Straight ahead.
Okay, here we go.
On the.
All right, go.
Ow.
Okay. All right, Jude ran the car over a stump. Noah's got stickers. Look at that. Oh my God. Look, look, look. Holy. Look at that. Let's zoom in.
They're all over.
Bruh. That's crazy.
All right, guys. So first attempt, still dry. Hair's dry. Clothes are dry. And now we gotta get it from a second angle. So we're gonna try and stay dry for a second time, like we did on the last one, but people didn't believe us. So we gotta do it again.
Number 2. Go! Keep going! Keep going!
We about to do this all day, baby.
Oh, low. Thickness. Thickness. All right, what we're gonna do now? Now it's fair game, right? Drinking it. What you gonna do? What you gonna try?
I'm gonna shove.
You gonna do a shove it? Let's get back. Get all the way around with it. Give me 5.
See, now they get it.
Hey, how you like that hat, bro?
I like it. It's comfortable.
That hat's off the chart,
Yeah.
man.
Hides
Check
my messy hair.
Yes, sir.
Didn't fix it this morning.
All right, I'm gonna stay on this side of you,
Yeah?
and I'm gonna catch him. He's gonna do the shove it right here, right?
Well, he's not gonna land it.
Like right here. Right here. He's not gonna land it.
No.
He's not gonna land it? Okay, here we go. Dude!
I gotta pee, Jack.
You gotta pee?
Yeah, I gotta pee.
Here he goes. He hit it! He hit it, baby! What? Yes!
So I didn't get wet until I wanted to get wet. That we did it. That's accomplished. We're done with that. And all the haters can say what they want, but I hit it. We all know it. And yeah, my brother ran over the stump. We had to pull it off. He broke the bumper of the car, so that's awesome. And yeah, we hit almost a shove it, one half a shove it. We hit a 360, and yeah, that's it. We got a couple really good runs. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Hey,